We're going to work on your website. We're going to add one feature that you like to your own website. And how do we do that? Well, let's spy on another inspector's website and figure out what features you like on this inspector's website, and use this website for inspiration. Steal ideas, check out the online scheduling, including the integrated payment collection, the auto email, and the text reminders using this recommended online scheduling service, and you click that link and you can try it for free. So first, what features do you like on this inspector's website? And yep, it's my website I use for training purposes. I actually, about once a week, I'll get someone who schedules a home inspection through my online scheduling service, because right here it says schedule now. So in my idea is that a potential client has a real estate agent, they found a house, and all they want to do is make sure that the inspector that they hire is the best inspector that they can afford, right? So I might as well tell them exactly what they're looking for. I want to provide them what they need. And what they need, I think what they need, because I've asked around, they just want to hire the best inspector. They're not really price shopping because they don't know what to look for, actually. And when you don't know what to look for, sometimes the only thing that you're looking at is price, and you tend to choose the lowest price, right? So I want to remember how we learned in the previous section, I want to align my business service to my needs, to the client's needs, to my client's needs. What does my client need? My client needs to find the best inspector. So I tell them right in the face, I punch them right in the face with, you found the best inspector. That was actually what they were looking for. The next thing I want them to do is schedule now. I don't want them clicking around. I want them to schedule now. And if they want to talk with me, they can talk with me. See that bottom right corner there? They can talk with Big Ben Inspections. So it can say, hello, you know. They can click schedule now. I've got a button that says schedule now. I have a call me now button. That's a free online service. And I have my phone number here, and I tell them when I'm available. Maybe it's not 24/7. Maybe my competition, you can call them at any time, right? They'll pick up the phone. Not me. Services and fees, I tell them exactly what I do. And my inspections, all of my inspections are backed up by your buyback guarantee program. Fantastic. I tell them why I'm the best. So what features here do you like? And what one feature can you add to your website? Use this as an inspiration. So I want you to take time, click around, and find one thing that you like. Like, oh, I like that. I like how, you know, the thing says, you see this, right? Clients, home buyers, you see this at the ceiling. Other inspectors will see the same thing, but not me. I see this. Why would you hire a home inspector who sees exactly what you see? You should hire me. I see things that no other inspector can see in this visual home inspection. So use that website for inspiration. Steal ideas. Steal anything you want from my website and make yours better. Here's a link to an online scheduling system. I don't care what you click. I have no financial whatever with it. I care less. It's called Schedulista, I don't know. That's the one I have on Big Ben Inspections, right? My fake website. But you can schedule, you can have online scheduling for your business right here and never miss another appointment. And clients can book themselves 24/7. And there's pricing. It's $19 a month just for your inspection business. So I think that's a pretty good deal. What you want to do is find a software. If you can find it for free, that's great. Find something that schedules online. That is what I like. That's what these generations like, right? Millennials or whatever you want to call them, Y2K or whatever it is. Hardly anybody picks up the phone and wants to talk to someone. Even personally, I like to order online now. I order online for everything. And if I can hire a home inspector who's the best inspector and order online, done. That is fantastic. You've got to have a website. You've got to figure out how to align your business services to the needs of your client and allow them to immediately schedule with you. So visit those 2 links and figure out one feature that you can add to your website and do it. Do it now. Add a feature to your website and never miss another appointment again. On BigBenInspections.com, if you looked on the homepage and scroll down, there's a book that you can download. It's tips for home buyers. You can download that PDF book and it's free. So we have a Safe Home book. It's a free book that you can upload to your website as a free download for your visitors. And it generates inspection job leads because you have to enter your email address to get it. So if I was a potential client visiting your website and I came across something free to download that seemed interesting, the Safe Home book, and I have to enter my email address, well, now you have captured a lead for free. So capture potential clients with a free customized downloadable tips book. 2 things, tips book and Safe Home book. The Safe Home book link is there. Click that and it looks like this from Inspector Outlet. You know that store. And nothing's going to be shipped to you, so it's a free PDF download. You download it and then you upload it to your website as a download for potential clients, right? The other one is a tips book to capture clients, get more inspection work. And so there's a step-by-step process because this tips book can be customized, different colors. And step 1, there's currently 4 e-booklets. The first booklet is about, it's appropriate to use if you do not offer radon and are not participating in the buyback guarantee program. The second booklet is a blue cover. This third booklet is a green cover. And the fourth booklet is red. And here's what they look like. Sorry. There's the yellow one. It's for home inspections. The second one here is for home inspections and radon, if you're going to offer home inspections and radon. The third one, home inspections, buyback guarantee. That's a good one. And then here's this one. Home inspections, radon, and buyback guarantee. And you customize the cover and the content is customized. And now you have a customized free tips booklet to download from your website, right? In order to capture email addresses and leads for your company. So if you go to BigBenInspections.com, scroll down, and there's my tips book, right? And this is the one for home inspections, radon, and buyback guarantee. So this is a great marketing strategy where you have something of incredible value and interest. It's something very interesting that is free to download, but there's a step. You want their name and email address so that you can contact them later and say something like, thank you for downloading the tips book. Were you interested in getting a home inspection in your area? I happen to be a home inspector. So click the links for taking a look at the Safe Home book and the tips book for home buyers.